Okay.
What did I get?
Hi guys, kumusta po kayo? This is Marilyn, your friendly Filipina carpentera here in America. I know ang ilan sa inyo ay nag-aabang sa aking next video, but I wasn't able to do much the past few days kasi nagkasakit ako, and we are on our way to the doctor's office. Hopefully everything should be okay, and mag-video po ako mamaya. I don't know if we can go to the renovation house kasi medyo may problema kami sa aming mga contractors, but I will let you know later. Chika lang, i-marites natin yung mga contractors namin. But right now, I'm here with my husband, Corey. Say hi.
Morning.
Good morning. Good afternoon, good evening, good midnight. So all my friends near and far. But yeah, medyo makeup muna tayo pag may time kasi syempre ano tayo sa ating doctor. And but hopefully after this, can we eat out after? Kasi my husband just got out from work, and he has a very good work that understands sometimes he has to run errands for his wife. Tapos hindi pa ako nakakain, and I'm not really feeling.
Mowing lawn.
Yeah, but we can eat first. Yeah, let's see what we can do today. But I'm not really feeling good. But for those who have been supporting me with my YouTube channel, marami pong salamat sa inyong lahat. And na-appreciate ko po kayo. And kayo po yung nagbibigay sa akin ng encouragement to go on and continue to make videos about my life here in America. So, utang na loob ko po sa inyo yung pag-YouTube ko kasi it gives me joy, yung magchika-chika lang ba sa buhay ko dito. And although YouTube is really giving me a hard time by removing so many of my watch hours, ay bahala na si YouTube, bahala na siya, basta kay lang, kachika-chika lang ako sa inyo. But I hope everybody's doing okay, and please know that I'm thanking God for you. And tapos sa kaguluhan ng mundo natin ngayon, please know also that we have a God that cares. Nagmamasid po siya sa atin, and He is just a prayer away. So yeah, if you need help, tawag lang tayo sa kanya. He is just a prayer away. He's always present whatever time of the day or night. So ingat po kayo. We'll see you later. Mwah! Inaantok ako. Kasi parang ako nahihilo, tapos hindi kasi ko may maintenance ako, tapos hindi ko palaging tinitay, kaya yeah.
Are they both the same?
Yeah. CPR tayo nito.